Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to professionally edit the newborn baby images in Photoshop. So let's start the video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. First of all, open Photoshop and import the baby image. Now this is the image which I want to edit, and the link of this image is in the description of this video. You can download it for the practice. Now first of all, we have to make a copy of the background layer. Press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer. Now go to filter, then select other. Now select high pass and then make it ready to 2.8 and OK. As you can see, this is applied on the layer 1. Blend this layer to the multiply, then decrease its opacity about 60% or 50%, yes 50%, and decrease the fill to the 80%. Yes, you can blend it to the soft light, color dodge, vivid light. Yes, vivid light is perfect for my image. The blending options are totally depend on your images. In my image, the vivid light is perfect, so I blend this high pass layer to the vivid light. Now you can hide this layer, then go to background layer. You can simply press Ctrl Z to make a copy of the background layer, then hide the background layer, and then press Ctrl Shift E to merge these layers. Now select the background copy layer. Now we will smooth the skin. As you know, the skin of the babies are already smooth, but we will adjust this skin. Select the mixer brush tool, make it mix to about 90, wet 5%, load 11%, mix 90%, and flow 100%. And select a soft brush and rub it on the skin smoothly. Also rub it on the body. Smoothly. Press Ctrl 0. Now go to filter, select the blur, then select the Gaussian blur. Now 0.8 radius, then select OK. Select this one, press Ctrl I to invert it, then select the brush tool. Make sure that the foreground color is white and then rub it on the skin. As you can easily see this, that is smoothing the skin. Don't apply it on the eyes. Press Ctrl 0. Now click here, make a curves layer, decrease the curves. Make it fill about 50%. Yes, click here, then select the vibrance, decrease the vibrance and increase its saturation. Yes, now click here, make a brightness and contrast layer, and don't decrease or increase the brightness, we will increase its contrast. Yes, now click here, then select the color lookup, click here, select the edgy amber, make its opacity about 20%, the fill 30%. Yes, click here, select the gradient map, double click here and select this one, press OK, bring this layer to the multiply, make its opacity to about 50%, fill to 20%. Click here, then select curves. Now press and hold Alt key on your keyboard and then click on auto. Now here in auto color correction options, select the find dark and light colors, press OK. Now decrease the curves layer, and as you can see, this is that how smoothly it color grade the image. Make its opacity about 50% and fill to the 80%. Yes. Now press Ctrl Shift E to merge all these layers, then press Ctrl Shift A to open Camera Raw. Now press OK. So as you can see this, that how amazing colors are added by the camera raw. Select here and then select gradient, double click here, then select this one, black and white, press OK, make it style to the radial, angle about to 120, select the reverse, you can select the 130, 13 is perfect. Now increase the scale, about 120, 115, 123, yes, okay. Then this layer to the multiply, make its opacity about 50, fill to the 80%, double click here, okay. Hide the background layer and press Ctrl Shift E to merge all these layers. Now as you can see this, that how quickly we added our newborn baby images. So this is the before and this is the after. So as you can see this, that there is a maximum light in the image and we have been adjusted it with a very simple way. And as you can see, this that in this image, that all the skin tone are merged with each other, and in this image, that how amazing color tones are being made by the Photoshop. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and I hope that you will learn much more things from this tutorial. If yes, then tell me in the comment section of this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos.